Day, everyone. This is Forex with me live. Today, I'm excited to share with you another strategy. It's been a while. Welcome to 2025. Yeah, good, and I hope we're all fine. So, I wanted to share us another strategy you can use to make make some money from the market this 2025. And before I actually put this together, I've been making sure that I trying this and it's working for me. So, and after it worked, I just thought I should share my experience with you guys so that you can also join me to do the same thing I'm doing from here. All right, so let's get into it. As you can see, I have two moving averages on the chart. Meanwhile, the moving averages are not just there, they are marking the destination for highs and lows. So as it is here, let me show you. This is a high boundary, this is a low boundary. And for this two, we have a high boundary and a low boundary. Then I have my indicator set up here for anyone who is interested to use it. All right, so let's get started. Before I start, I want to quickly share with you that if you would like to join us for Telegram and for Signals, it is available. You can just check the link in the description to see our Telegram group and how we offer our services. Now, here I'm going to also tell you to subscribe on our YouTube channel because it goes a long way to encouraging us to also provide you everything that you need as regards to Forex Market. So that is all I have for you. Now let's get into the setup for this indicator. So let me just explain. Now the setup is very simple. We have the first line. This is the RSI line here, and the second setup is the Williams percentage here. So as long as both are up, we're in a buy trend. As long as both are up, we're in a buy trend. And as long as both are above 50, we're in a buy trend as well. And as long as the moving averages here are above them, as long as the candles are above the two moving averages here, that means we are in a buy setup. So that's all about the setup here. And as you can see, the market has reached its high here. What I need to do is to wait for it to reset to the downside before I take a new buy trade. So as you can see, this is how market has been moving so far. This is how it has been moving so far. So when you see a break of structure here like this, when you see a break of structure here like this is a downtrend or a pullback. So let's go to the sell signal. As you can see here, as the market changes direction from here, this is the first pullback. It breaks, but it rather than breaking the moving average up here, it broke the second moving average. And as we pulls back, we couldn't break the 200 here. Then the market continues to the downside. So we could confirm our down entry from here. As the market breaks below 50 here, the both are below 50 actually, and the Williams percentage is even further than the RSI here. Then we can take our sell trade, and that is how we picked the sell trade towards this. And with that, we saw a reversal at this point. That's when the Williams move even crossed to the buy. So this trend, so that's that. The next one is that it breaks the moving averages here, and we are able to write it down again. fulfilling the downward trends that is happening so far. So that is all we can spot from this point. And after that, we are moving to the upside. Started moving to the upside. You can see how the market ranges around here. The range around here, you can see both moving average, the long term 200 and the other 134 is actually clustering. They are both clustering here. And afterwards, market broke out of it and we're able to see the trend. So this setup is for a trendy market. This is not good for range market. It's good for trendy market. So when you spot the trend, you can now take it and you ride it all the way up. So as soon as the market crosses to touch the green upper band, then you can close. So this is how to take the trades. So let me quickly show you the setup so that I won't long this video. Now these are the setup. The first one is this. We have the first moving average 200 simple low, and the second one we have 200 simple high. Then we have the 34 simple low, and we have the 34 simple high. Then on the indicator window one we have 34 close, and we have 50 close, as you can see. So with all this now, we can spot trends and take trades based on what the indicators tells us. But mind you, this is very good for a trendy indicator. So once you see the market breaks the 34, you can take the trade whichever direction it goes. Your confirmation is from the other one, which is the Williams percentage. Then once you see it above 50 and also above the RSI, it's good to buy. Then you can take your trade. I hope this helps. So feel free to subscribe to our channel, and so that you can get more notification about our new updates. And you can join our Telegram to spot setup, to get set up, and also to monitor what we do as we trade. So hopefully to see you guys soon. Thank you.